Good morning. It is Sunday, May 25. And we are here at Neptune Beach watching the sunrise. Galing. Hi, Tati. So we started our Memorial Weekend yesterday. And today we're going to spend the first few hours of our day at the beach. So let's hindi gugulong.
Kapit na lang ako kasi hindi rin ako
Oo. Yeah. Hey!
hindi ako makakalakad maayos.
Ang ganda-ganda dito. So bring the whole world to the presence of the Father and bringing our dreams, our hope, our desires, the chaos of the world, the problems, the sickness, the hatred, the anger, that love will rise and love will flourish so that people will understand the way of God and people will understand how life works. That it is not what you wish, but it is what God wishes for you. Because everything is beyond our control. Everything is beyond our grasp. Hindi natin kayang hawakan ng ating bukas. Kailangan tayong matutong magtiwala. Kailangan tayong matutong magdasal. At sa lahat, kailangan tayong magmahal. So to God, we give glory for the beautiful day it is. And may the beauty of His presence continue to flourish and give life to the life we have and bring peace to the world and to our own selves. Ang galing. Ang ganda ng ano.
Kung makikita ka pangyarihan ng Diyos. Sino makakasukat ng lawak ng dagat ng ito? Tanging Diyos lamang nakalawakan. Ang laking kalawakan. Ang liwak ng pagsikat ng araw. Ito mga pagsikat ng Diyos. Mga ibon lumilipad na kaya.
Ano ka lang dyan ay lalip. Sarap ng hangin.
Sarap ng hangin.
Yan o. Maliwanag. Isang araw. Where's the building? Where's my building? So there is a building here named Achilles. And I'm always telling Derek, I'm gonna buy a property by the beach. And it will be the Achilles nest at the Achilles. So it's somewhere right here. So hopefully God will hear that prayer. So there you go. Ganda-ganda. Hindi masyadong madaming tao dito sa lugar na to, kaya ang saya. Hindi siya bombarded ng traffic na magulo. And then you can bring your pets. Tama yung mama, siniset up niya for a sunrise din. But the rest are just soaking the peace of the waves, the serenity of life. Ang galing-galing ng buhay. You know, daily, you just woke up to this. You just wake up to this kind of life. Dito marami din ditong may bangka. So, like for Memorial Weekend like this, maraming nag-aano ng bangka. Tama, ang daming may mga pet. They just resting. Aga-aga, we wake up 4 o'clock in the morning. And this is the life we live. Stress-free. Look at that. Stress-free. Wala kang inaalala. Wala kang masyadong pinoproblema. There's not a lot of drama. Or at least, no, technically, no drama at all. Walang drama ang buhay. Talagang, when you learn how to appreciate life, you will learn every second of the life you live is filled with grace, mercy, and compassion from the Father. And then everybody you will meet and everybody you will speak with resonates to that mindset. Ang galing. Ang galing ng buhay. And I just pray everybody will have that kind of peace that grows from within. Kasi ang saya. Ang saya-saya ng buhay na mapayapa. You don't worry too much about a lot of things. You just rest. You just rest on the love of God for you. And you just surrender everything. I mean, I still have problems. I have worries. But it is not something that I know that I can handle by my own. It is something that God can fix for me. So, it is this life that I'm not bragging about, but I am promoting to the world. That there is limitless life filled with gratitude and possibilities. That everything that you hope and everything you wish, if it is all for the good of your soul, it will come to you. Ang ganda-ganda ng buhay. Sobrang gandang-ganda ng buhay. Look at that. That's Derek walking Mickey, enjoying life. That's Inay, waiting for us. Because she doesn't want to walk. And here I am, just watching the sunrise. Trying to tell you how I feel about the world and the state of mind that I have. Na halos araw-araw, paulit-ulit. Galing. So, ang galing-galing, ang galing-galing. So, look at that. Galing. So, even the one in crutches, ano, so you worry less and you just enjoy life. You enjoy life. You enjoy the peace God is giving us. Peace I give you, peace I give to you. And that is this freedom to enjoy the peace of life God is bestowing every second of our existence. Sobra-sobra. Peacefully and happily living life with the pureness of grace from above. Walang ibang nangyayari, Walang ibang nangyayari sa buhay ng tao maliban sa nagsisimulang bumuka ang liwanag ng buwan, ng araw. Super galing, super galing. Super galing, super galing naman ito. Super galing ng the value of serenity. Kung gumising ka sa araw-araw na wala kang inaalala, look at that bird, so freely. Nag-iisa lang siya. And the sound of the waves, it's enriching. It's powerful. It's going up, it's going up. It's going up, it's going up. There he is. Ang haring araw. Ang haring araw. Ang haring araw. Ganda. Liwanag. Atuwa naman. Ang galing. Look at those birds. Wow. Wow, it is so pretty. It is so pretty. Nakaka-inlove naman ito. Oh my God. I thank you, God. Thank you, God. I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty. It's so pretty. The blaze of light coming from the sky. Sobrang galing. Ang ganda. Sobrang galing. Sobra. So everybody who's waking up to this hour, watching me today, may you be blessed and may your life be fulfilled. Filled with so much grace and compassion and mercy from the Father, that every wishes you have at heart will come to you and fulfill the dreams you have, allowing you to reach the heaven sky, allowing you to fulfill your dreams. And may the holy angels and saints pray with you, pray with all of us, comfort us, and lead us to the perfected life that God has given us. Galing. So, it has already reached. Ang galing niya. Ang galing. Sobrang galing. Ang galing-galing ng ano. Oh, meron pang ano. So beautiful. So, hey baby! Hi, Neneng! Hi, baby! Okay. Hi, Tati. Say hi, Tati. Hi, Tati. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. Thank you, God. Okay. God bless you all. Bye.